your landing at yellowbug.com/careers.
Does your broker answer questions with a blizzard of investment speak or a thinly disguised sales pitch? Investment consultant. Hope you want. From a quick question, you've got the long-term plan. You're ready. In person. One. That's what TD Ameritrade delivers.
What you hear is some noises that bother adults seem to lull us because they make wrapped in a secure, comfortable feeling that smells so familiar. Pamper Swap. Also,
nominated number one. New York. The chef who made it here. The proper way. Or get swallowed whole. I'm the man in the kitchen. Bright Nine, Big City. All new top tip.
Hannah, what are you doing? Hannah, can you come get mommy?
Go get mom.
Can you come here?
Economic climate.
Come on.
Come here.
Possible to get credit.
Come here,
Come
mom.
on.
We have news for you. In fact, financing is available.
Come on.
Come here.
Better time to buy a car or truck.
Hannah, come here.
Come here.
Come on. Oh. Come on. What are you doing? Oh.
Go get mommy. Oh, you cheater. Come on. Go get mama. Oh.
You say bye-bye to the camera? Look, say bye. Can you give a kiss? Hannah. Hannah.